In tutorial 10, in the actual tutorial in the book, they are telling you the wrong cell when you get started there. When it's telling you in cell B4 to make changes, they are really referring to B7, which is units sold. So I'm actually using the tutorial example to show you how to create a data table for one variable. And if you're looking at the book, just keep in mind that they have the wrong cell there. And when you are doing the review at the end of tutorial 10, this is the same situation, the same thing they're asking you to work on. And so basically, they've told you to set up these headings and this information, and they're asking you to examine the impact of the changing sales volume on the company's revenue. We have here, and we have total expenses and net income. And so when they're saying the changing sales volume, that's the same thing as this units sold. And so you've entered fields for all of this information with the titles, and then they told you to refer, units sold is going to be 7, and that's correct. Then revenue, they're telling you, is in B27, so it's just going down the chart information. And when you actually go to create the data table, you're going to highlight all of this, and basically what you're doing is just a little bit of a fancy fill. It's going to fill in the rest of the information that's missing based on the numbers you've entered. Now, units sold, you can kind of put whatever numbers here you want. I mean, the book tells you what to put, but in real life, you're going to pick some volumes that you think you would make the best amount of money at, and so you're testing to see what's the best volume for you to use for your business. So when you go to enter this, you're going to highlight, like I said. You're going to use the amounts that you put there because that's what it's going to base its information on. And if you're not on the data table, you need to click on data, and then you're going to go to what if analysis, because that's what you're doing. What if I make, or if I sell 15,000, how will that affect my income? What if I sell 35,000? And so you're doing a what if, and this is called a data table. And we just have one amount, units sold, that's changing in this situation. And since we are in a column setting, we're going to put our cell, we're going to use column input cell. And B7, that's the one variable we're changing, and that's units sold. So click on B7 and click OK. And it has basically taken the information that we set up in the skeleton table and filled in the rest of the information for you.